जय जोहार आप मनला। मोर नाम नंदिनी यादव है और मैं छत्तीसगढ़ की सांस्कृतिक राजधानी बस्तर के निवासी हूँ और आज मैं नेहरू युवा केंद्र सुकमा का प्रतिनिधित्व करत हूँ। Today, we are here to witness the eminent scholar, the first Indian to hold PhD in foreign, 32 degrees and a good command in 9 languages, a powerful leader, politician, woman emancipator, economist, the untouchable outcast and an underprivileged Dalit who grew to become the first law minister of an independent India, the one and only Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. अरे पर्वत, तू कल तक जिसकी लाचारी पर हंसता था, तेरी चोटी पर बैठा है वही बैसाखियां लेकर. The son of an army officer who lost his mother in his early age, was born in a Maho village of Madhya Pradesh. His early lifestyle seems like a nightmare where he suffered with the problems of no food, no water in school and called untouchable. But still, his belief in liberty, equality and fraternity led him to become the father of a great Indian constitution. For him, education materialized as the only leading path to the foundation of a free mind. Even in Columbia University, he recognized as a statue of knowledge. But still he find it difficult to make people realize that work make man, not race. That's why he aimed to encourage Dalit to educate themselves. And he went around with the slogan, educate, agitate and organize to annihilate the caste system and reconstruct the Indian society on the basis of equality of human beings. Indeed, he succeeded in 1931 by securing the separate electorates for Harijan and also won the assembly support for the reservations. Baba Sahab also introduced a Hindu code bill in the support of women for their economic and social rights. And he said, मैं एक समाज की प्रगति इस बात से देखता हूँ कि उस समाज की महिलाएं कितनी प्रगति कर रही हैं. Baba Saheb was a great believer of Narayana. Some people may think that religion is not essential to the society, but he considered that the foundation of a religion is very essential to the society. Baba Sahab preferred Buddhism because it gives 3 principles, Prajna, Karuna and Samta. Baba Sahab was a great Indian economist. Because of his thesis, The Problem of Rupee, that today we have RBI. Baba Sahab also insisted in water irrigation policies and he also reduced the working hour of labor. Even a noble literate Amartya Sen also said that Baba Sahab is a father of my economics. Baba Sahab had the entire burden of preparing the draft of the constitution, which finally accepted on 26th of November 1949. He is such a legendary person to all of us and we also called him Modern Manu. देश के लिए जिसने विलास को ठुकराया था, देश के लिए जिसने विलास को ठुकराया था, देश का वो दीपक बाबा साहब कहलाया था, देश का वो दीपक बाबा साहब कहलाया था. With these words, I would like to end my say. Thank you everyone. जय जोहार, जय भारत.